Hi friends, welcome back to another day in my vlog. I hope you're all doing good and fine. Please take care of yourself. So I'm in the kitchen just starting with my morning routines like making breakfast, tea for kids because it's time for office, school and everything online at home, but food is something that everybody needs on time. So I'm just making a simple rava upma, just a plain with lot of veggies and something like that. So I don't add any masalas, it's just plain. I only thing is I put a lot of veggies, coriander and curry leaves. Sometimes in the morning it's a really quick thing to make and really healthy and delicious too. So I basically use a roasted upma rava, and at the end I just put a little a 1 teaspoon of ghee and coriander leaves, and it's all done and it's very yummy to eat.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon, side by side and through, no limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
If you want, you can have a side on like a coconut chutney or something, but at my home it's usually taken with a cup of tea and it's like really yum. But you should have it hot. And that's my morning dose of tea. And here my husband is just helping out to move out the dishes from the dishwasher. We usually load it in the night before we go to sleep, so it's ready with the next day morning. And also we load it one time after lunch because being at home a lot of vessels come out, we use it. So after breakfast he was busy playing, she was busy in her online classes and homeworks and all those things. Sometimes she finishes in the evening, sometimes she prefers to finish in the morning. Usually her classes are in the afternoon session because she's in remote. So he plays, he'll do his activity, something like that. He just keeps himself busy. So I'm sharing a recipe of pearl onion sambar. So for that I have taken a bowl of pearl onion, tamarind, that's hing, tur dal, methi seeds, curry leaves, red chilies and the basic spices like the coriander, Kashmiri chili, turmeric, and for tempering a little bit of mustard seed. So in a pan I'm taking some coconut oil. I used coconut oil to prepare it, and now I have put in methi seeds and the cleaned pearl onions with some green chilies. So I'm going to saute it for some time in oil till the pearl onions changes its color and becomes a little smushy. Meanwhile, I've also put tur dal in the pressure cooker and it's getting ready. And now I'm adding a teaspoon of turmeric powder. I use Kashmiri chili powder, so this is Kashmiri chili powder. I used 2 teaspoons. And coriander powder, a teaspoon. And make sure your flame is on really low while you sort it out, because the masalas get to turn its color out very soon. And I'm adding chopped tomatoes. I use two medium sized tomatoes. Sorry, I forgot to mention it in the ingredients. Still my flame is in low to medium, between that. Now I'm adding the cooked tur dal. Just give it a good mix, check for salt. And I'm adding the tamarind water. You can adjust the consistency of this liquid as per your wish. Like if your family prefers too liquidy, you can adjust according to that. Like my family, they like it like semi-liquid. Now I'm adding a pinch of hing.
Even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
And salt.
We wake.
You must have seen I've not added salt till now, so I'm adding salt. Little bit in tur dal I had added while cooking, but that's not enough.
Oh, the good times just begun.
You just close the lid and let it boil, and let everything get cooked and blended very well.
You know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright.
It's almost cooked and everything is looking very nice.
We don't need no
Just taste, and if salt is less you can add salt according to your preference. Now I'm going to make the tempering for the sambar. So I've taken again coconut oil and I'm putting in the mustard seeds. And while you do this, just keep the flame in low, a little bit of turmeric and Kashmiri chili powder, so that the gravy gets a little good color with the Kashmiri chili. And now some curry leaves.
we can do.
I have put my flame in really low while I'm doing this. And some red chilies.
We know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're
So my tadka is ready, and once it's done I'll pour over it.
call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the
And a yummy delicious sambar is ready to serve with a hot plate of rice. It is really yummy. It can go with anything like idli, dosha, rice. It's really yummy and quick recipe. Please try it out and let me know your comments in the comment section.
even in the hard time, you and I can weather any storm.
Like in a busy day, it's a very quick to go sambar recipe. And in the evening the kids wanted popsicles because our climate is little getting better, like little bit of sun and things are coming out, so they demanded popsicles. So we took some oranges and just added water, just adjust the sugar according to the orange taste, and then I just strained out the juice.
Can weather any storm.
Just strain out the pulp portion and the pure juice comes out.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are
And later you can just pour in the popsicle molds and keep it in the fridge for 8 to 9 hours, and yummy delicious popsicles are ready to eat.
we know what
In our house, when oranges are left over, like nobody wants to eat it raw, that's how I make it, so that it'll go into their tummy. And just homemade fresh popsicles also, they enjoy it, and it's good, free of anything, any preservatives, nothing.
you and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
And meanwhile, we were just having our house clean up here and there. One time we do upstairs, sometime we do downstairs. So in the week we were doing all the lower portion of the house. We were cleaning up, vacuuming, mopping. He sometimes just likes to help, but he cannot take over the vacuum so much.
Side by side and through. No limit to what we can do. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight.
He wants to help me clean the refrigerator. Like I remove all the magnets and photos and I just wipe the whole screen there.
Things are fine.
So he wanted to do that.
With you and I, the future is
She's busy with her online classes and homeworks. I usually try to make her finish her homework that day itself so that it doesn't get pending.
we don't need no more. Even in the
So So I had shared with you in one of the vlogs we had purchased this pool in one of the Costco shopping hall. I had shared with you. So now this week we had good sunny days, like good 80 90 80 85 degrees of sunny day. So kids wanted to have this pool, so we were making that ready. It's a quite large pool, like than we expected. It's really good. Kids had a good time. Actually, in this COVID times, there's nothing else they can do. So we thought, okay, let's open it for them and let's let them enjoy. And as expected, they had a lot of fun. They played like in the morning, in the evening, like a lot of time they played.
Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
This was a good purchase. I really liked it. Costco is some place that I really love it because some things that come there are really worth the price and good quality. You don't have to think two times before buying. You can just put it in your cart and take it home. So last year when we tried searching, we didn't get anything. Everything was out of stock, online, nowhere. So this time when I got this, I just grabbed it because I know my kids are water babies and they love to play in water. Like you can put them for hours there, especially my elder one. She is a water baby. She loves to be in water.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
Actually, they wanted their swimming goggles, so I took those also and gave them. She didn't use them that much because she said it's not a regular swimming pool, but for him it was like he's not experienced this much of pool. It's the first time he's experienced like pool and everything, so he was like, I want my glasses and everything. You can see water spouting out of the dolphin. That's the fun thing. Also, we had a good time flying kites also. I had picked them up from the dollar store. It's just $1. So it is a like good time pass for the kids. They'll be busy for some time, so we just open up the packet and sanitize everything and gave it to them, and they were enjoying flying kites also this week.
We don't need no more. Even in the hard times.
Then we took them to the park, which is just behind our house. So it's a big ground, so they can run nicely. The kite can fly very well. So they enjoyed that also this week because we had good sun. As you see, she's not wearing jacket, and good wind also. So this was the fun part that they were having.
You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm. When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side, our fears are done. All the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more.
Because the climate was getting better, so we thought we'll just do some gardening. We were planting some flowers because it's springtime, so we had some of the seeds that was left over, and the rain was less, so now we just got over and we were just planting some flowers in the front yard. That time you can see them, they're again playing with the water. We had on some water for the grass because it was too sunny, so we were providing water for the grass. They were busy playing in the water there also.
Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right.
So you can see the flower windmill I had seen in the store, and I just loved this a lot. So when I saw it, I just grabbed it in different colors. So when the wind is blowing, it really turns around and it looks really nice. So I had bought it in different colors like red, blue, green, pink, orange. Some I have put in the backyard. So that's the soil that we use. We bought it from Costco. So that's what we're using for planting all the seeds in containers and everywhere. So you can see we had plotted this last week, and it really grew out now itself. So yeah, it feels good to do some gardening.
Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any
Just started, and let's see how the growth of the flowers are. So in the evening, after I finished all my tea and everything, I just cleaned up my kitchen, my gas and everything. Just a basic cleaning, what I use the solution is some dish soap, vinegar, and baking soda, and I just mix it up and I pour it in this bottle, spray bottle, and it's just on the go cleaning. It helps me out for cleaning very well. As you can see, I've poured on my gas and everything, and I'm just cleaning all the burners. The burners I clean with basic soap and water, and I wipe it down.
you and I, the future is bright.
And you can see my gas is all clean, ready for the next batch of cooking and everything. Basically, with our Indian cooking, we have a lot of grease through oil and everything deposit on the gas very quick. So my kitchen is all good and clean.
You and I can weather any storm.
I still have some dishes in the sink. That's for the next load of the dishwasher.
Crickets see the moon.
That's all from me today. I hope you all enjoyed watching the vlog. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and put in your comments in the comment section and be a part of our beautiful family. See you with the next vlog. Till then, take care and thank you for watching. Bye.